looking at her brother. Tell us good morning to the face. Tell us good morning.
Good morning. Come, I have a surprise for Mama.
Oh, a surprise. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Though it's afternoon, it's Friday and I completely forget that it's Friday. So I did not pick up the camera today. But I'm saying, Jules, it's vlog day. I gotta pick up the camera. Anyway, you guys, happy Friday. I lost count of the day this quarantine life. You guys, we've been up and busy around here. I got my workout in this morning. I just done finished feeding Sarah. I am going to give Tyler lunch and then I'm gonna make lunch for Babe and I. But first, Tyler said he have a surprise for me. Tyler said he have a surprise for us. So let's go see the surprise. Okay.
What's the password to go in my room?
I don't know.
Just
Tyler, Papa working. You're too loud.
Start by a M.
The letter start by a M?
Yes.
Mama.
No.
Morial.
No.
Montego Bay.
No.
I don't know.
It's messy.
Messy. Okay, go. Show me surprise. Look at this surprise.
Look at it with that. It's too crazy. But if the mama see that I still need to put red, I'm still going to put, but I can change of direction.
Okay, what's going on in here?
Here, I have a line of color and the Paw Patrol in front represent which color of cars I have.
Okay, so there's a Paw Patrol in front of each car.
Yes,
except the line.
Except the one that don't have the same color.
Okay.
Like the gray and purple and brown and black.
Okay, I see. So why you decide to put out your cars like that?
To a very pretty line over there. Look, white,
So
green,
you
and
have
black, blue,
red
yellow,
line, orange line,
red.
yellow line, blue line, black line, pink line, green line, white line, gray line, purple line, cars and more cars. Alright, I like your surprise. Now it's time to go and have lunch. You can show Papa when he's finished working.
Okay.
Alright, let's go have lunch. Run along.
Okay. Can you show Papa when he's finished?
Yes, you show him. Listen, every look Sarah look and see Tyler, she think Tyler is playing with her. Alright, go to the table, go to the table. The madness. Alright, Ty, finish now. Jesus. She gets so excited when she sees Tyler. Tyler, stop now, please. Get a mat. Get a mat.
What's those purple things?
They're mats. They're just smaller type. you to listen when I talk to you and don't let me send it to your room.
More are for Verna and Auntie Jen when they are here, and Sarah grow up and she have and she can eat porridge and popcorn and puree and broccoli. Is that Mama?
Yes, Tyler. Here you go. What you say?
Thank you, Mama.
Get up off a chair. Sit properly.
I love you so much, Mama.
I love you so much too. Look at
Mom,
Sarah.
are you happy that I made that line of color and the red line was very crazy?
Yes, Tyler. Can you now enjoy your lunch, please? Good. Okay, guys, as it is lunchtime for everybody, Tyler is eating, Sarah already ate. Now it's time for me to make lunch for my man, for the husband and I. And today for lunch for us, I am making a wrap. The wrap that I'm making will have inside avocado, chicken, and cheese. Are you following? The chicken that I did, I'm gonna show you in a bit. I use a chicken breast and I steam the chicken breast with onions, garlic, thyme, all the goodness, all the seasoning, cayenne pepper, and I add no water to it. I just let it steam on the stove for about an hour. So I just put all of that into a pot and let it slow cook on its own. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. That's okay. So that's what it looks like. That's the chicken when it finished. It smells so good. I need to ask babe what's the name of this French herb that I use. It's not, I don't really know what it's called, but it's a French herb. So I'm mashing the avocado right now because this is gonna, the avocado is gonna be like mayonnaise, really. It's like a paste that I want for the bottom of the wrap. And I'm making one wrap each as it's lunch. Okay, so I have my avocado paste.
Excuse me, Mama.
Yes, Ty?
No, look green.
Huh?
No, look green.
That's okay. Eat up, please.
Because I'm eating fast.
Very good. And I'm grating some cheese that I'm going to use in the wrap. I'm getting these prepared so when babe comes, I can do it right away because it's something that needs to eat hot. And I don't want to make it and put it down. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. So there goes the cheese. I think I need a little bit more cheese. Giving you guys a good yummy lunch idea. You can even have this for dinner. But if you have this for dinner, I guarantee you're gonna need two. For lunch, you can have this and the yogurt, or you can have it alone and some water like myself. Alright, got the cheese done, got the avocado done. Yes! Okay, I'm gonna take the chicken out of the pot. And I'm gonna mince this chicken up real good because it's so soft. Sarah! So I'm just So I'm just getting the chicken breast all shredded. And next thing you could do is grate a chicken breast. But this chicken breast is so soft, it's just pulling apart. As I told you earlier, I steamed it.
Papa, do you want to cut
Sarah went to sleep. Babe! I need Sarah room. Sarah woke up this morning and didn't go back for. Well, she went back for a nap when I was sleeping, but she's ready to nap right now. So I'm gonna pause on this lunch and put her down for a nap and come right back. You guys, this chicken full of so much flavor and it tastes so bomb. Bomb. It's bomb. Okay, so there I have my chicken breast, avocado and my cheese, and my wrapping pan. Now that I have everything ready, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna put some cheese at the base of the wrap. Wrong idea. Wrong. No, I have to take back the cheese. I'm gonna put avocado at the base of the wrap. So avocado is our base. Following. So we have avocado at the bottom. Then we're gonna put a little cheese at the bottom. Then we're gonna add chicken. And cheese on top of the chicken. And avocado on the other side of the wrap that have nothing at all. You feel me? So that's what our wrap will look like eventually. And I'm gonna put some more chicken on top of that. And that should be a good lunch. Add a little olive oil in the pan. Just a little, not too much. And I have to do this fast because I don't want nothing to burn. And then I'm gonna drop the wrap right in there. Voila! The one Miss Sarah decided that she's not ready to sleep. So she's up with her energetic self. Baby, yeah. This seasoning that is in the seasoning that is wrapped with the thyme. Yeah. I think it's the seasoning that we always see outside when we're walking. What is it called in French?
You have to give me the things because there's thyme.
Not thyme.
Romarin. There's a lot of things.
It's another one that I don't know what it's called.
Maybe it's romarin.
Can you find it and tell me what's the English translation?
I'm gonna show you first what
it is in French.
I'm gonna show you what is romarin.
It looks similar to the thyme. but it is the first I'm cooking with it and it tastes so good. Auntie Agnes always cook with it.
This. What is this?
Yes, that. Auntie Agnes always cook with it.
There's this type of things that when you're in Paris area you have to buy it. When you hear a lot of people that they find it.
Yeah, it's outside. Like you walk in and it's there. It's even in the garden outside. Okay, one is ready.
Is it rosemary?
Rosemary, that's it. That's it. So I cooked the chicken breast with rosemary. That's the name I was trying to remember. Okay, one's ready. That's mine. And now I'm gonna do, babe.
Mama, when you finish to cook, I'm sure that I got to finish. Before you finish cook.
That is so good. You guys try this and tell me how you like it. Like I said, I steam my chicken breast in rosemary, cayenne pepper, garlic, onion, salt, and it's the bomb.com. Bomb.com. Come babe. Ready, ready, ready. Hot one, ready, ready. Say hello to the babes. I'm that short? Ready.
Which one is mine?
This. One more
Hi
coming
guys.
up 'cause I know you don't want
Friday lunch.
I know you don't want one. So another one is coming for you.
What's up? You see her?
Yes.
No, you're not seeing her because you have to eat in front of her.
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day and staying quarantine safe as usual. Look at my hand. Jeez. I'm getting so toned through workouts. I love it. Anyway, you guys, we are gonna go and enjoy lunch. Have a good day. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. I love you guys. And I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and click the give it to the fan bell. And give this video a thumbs up right now. Click that thumbs up button down below. And make sure your notification bell is on. So that way you do not miss a vlog.